disclaimer, before I start this video, I just want to say that I have on shorts, and yeah. Hello, my name is Brooke Davis, and today I will be talking to a special guest about evaporation and basically the whole water cycle. Their name is, how do you pronounce this? Drippalina. Hello, Drippalina. Introduce yourself, please.
I don't even know why I'm here. I was just sitting outside, then I got scooped up by some random mental thing.
I'll be right back. Why didn't you give her a script? You only gave me 1 minute to get some water. You could have done something. It is not my fault. You would be fired if I had other workers. Now cut back to the show. Sorry, just a technical difficulty. Now, Drippalina, can I call you Drippy?
No.
Yes? Okay. I brought you into this amazing show for a reason, which is to ask, how was your journey to get here?
Well, how I got here was a long and surprisingly not hard process. So first, I am a raindrop. So quite obviously, I'm from the clouds. I remember coming outside the surface of the sea and going through evaporation.
What's evaporation?
Evaporation is the process of turning liquids into vapor. How about an example? You know how it rains and the rain makes a puddle outside?
Yes.
Well, then almost or maybe a day later, those puddles disappear. And when they disappear, it's called evaporation.
Oh.
And then after we evaporate, we turn into vapor and go into the
So
clouds.
is that the same thing as evapotranspiration?
No. Evapotranspiration is water from plants evaporated from the soil. It is also called transpiration, which is the process of water movement through a plant and its evaporation movements from parts of the plants, like stems, leaves, and flowers.
Wait, so it was like vapor coming from plants?
Yes, like plant evaporation.
Plant evaporation?
No.
Moving on.
Next, we have condensation.
And what is that?
It's when vapor rises into the air where cooler temperatures cause it to condense. So it's basically the process where the vapor freezes up into things like snow or hail.
That must be where sublimation happens.
Yes, that's basically it. Sublimation is where gases turn directly into ice in the air.
Oh, but doesn't condensation sound a lot like precipitation?
Actually, no. Condensation creates the process of precipitation, but it isn't the process of precipitation.
Oh.
Yes, precipitation stands for any type of water that is falling from the sky, from a light drizzle to a hail.
Is that what causes an aquifer?
Well, yes, you can say that. Say precipitation happens in rain form, and then a raindrop drops onto the soil. The raindrop will now become groundwater. But sadly, the water might take hundreds and thousands of years before it finally reaches the surface of the earth again.
Wow, okay. Now what is groundwater?
Groundwater is the water under the surface where every place in the soil is already saturated with water. The water from groundwater can go literally anywhere. It can be in your faucet water. It can even be in your drinking water right now.
Well, okay, ew, that's nasty. Why would you even tell me that?
Chill out. It's not the worst thing. You don't know about everything that you've drank in your life.
Well, anyways, how can collection be in the water cycle?
Collection in the water cycle is basically when water falls from clouds and whatnot. It goes into things like rivers, lakes, oceans, really any large body of water. Most of it will infiltrate into the ground and then be collected as underground water.
So when it gets collected as underground water, and you said that the underground water can be collected from the ground and the water can go literally anywhere, like our drinks, does it have to go through some type of filter?
Yes, it is called percolation. It's basically where any type of liquid gets filtered through any process, like how coffee is made.
Wow. So what happens to the water that doesn't get infiltrated though?
It causes erosion and mud and things of that sort. It's called runoff, but sometimes runoff does not only cause erosion and things, it also interferes with accumulation.
And what is accumulation?
Accumulation is where excess water from rain runoff, basically anything that gets dumped back into the ocean or any other large body of water. It is basically the beginning of the water cycle where everything begins all over again.
So basically, that's just the whole water cycle you explained. From evaporation to accumulation.
Yes, it is. Now may I go back to my natural place now?
Well, thank you for watching this talk show with my special guest, Drippalina/Drippy. Sadly, the show must end now. Goodbye.